Connected Health and myMobile. Connected Health is the consistent and accurate remote monitoring of a patient's vital signs and well-being data, monitoring patients with long-term conditions within their own homes. myMobile is used to monitor the health of patients in their homes, in care homes, clinics, or any place where people have access to their smartphone or tablet. myMobile is already preloaded with the required interviews assigned to the patient. myMobile is designed to be used by patients with any medical condition where the regular collection of health information, vital signs or disease-specific symptoms, is required or beneficial. Vital readings can be taken either automatically, via Bluetooth, using the supplied peripherals, or entered manually. myMobile includes various functions and features such as performing health interviews, viewing interview results, video conferencing with providers, sending secure messages to providers. To get started, download myMobile from the Google Play or iOS App Store. Search for the Tunstall myMobile app and download. Open the myMobile app and tap on the cog icon. Type in the myMobile URL address provided by your provider and click on Done. To register, click the Not Registered button in the login page. Enter HCN and PIN provided by the providers, username, password, and confirm password. Click Register. Now, enter your username and password and click Login. You can click Remember Me to save your username and password in the device. To begin the interview, click the Start button in the My Next Interview tile. The interview can be started only during the scheduled interview time. Unscheduled interviews available within the My Plan tile can be performed at any time during the day. Run through all of the steps in the interview. You can go back to a previous step by tapping the back arrow. You can also quit an interview by tapping X in the confirmation box that you want to quit. Tap Resume or Exit Interview as appropriate. The interview will end automatically once the last step in the interview is completed. To view the results and readings from previous interviews, click on the My Latest Reading tile. To send a secure message, click on the Secure Message tile. Click the New Message button. Enter the subject and your message and click Send. This displays the message on screen as unread until a member of your treatment team has read it. It will then show as read. To reply, tap the message that you wish to reply to and tap the Reply button. Compose your reply, then tap Send. To begin a video conference, click the Video Conferencing tile. Select Join Waiting Room to wait in the queue to connect to your provider. Select Video Conference Now if the provider is already waiting for you to video conference. You can view all of the documents related to interviews at any time. Simply click the Educational Information tile and then tap on the document to open it in the viewer. If you need any assistance using myMobile, please contact our friendly team at au.servicedesk@tunstall.com.